everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So I'm starting a new series similar to my camo series, but I'm probably gonna have to break this into parts, otherwise my video is going to go on forever. This one titled is It's Not a Faux Pas, It's Faux Leather and Faux Suede, right? So in case you don't know, a faux pas is a big mistake, right? And I'm saying it's not a big mistake. However, I have a feeling 3 to 5 years from now, I'm gonna be looking back at my wardrobe thinking buying all this faux leather and faux suede was a big faux pas because it's gonna be completely out of style. I'm gonna feel like a frumpy, outdated, tacky old lady. So I know it's gonna be a huge mistake then, but for now, it's no mistake. I'm loving this style. I love to try new and different items. Welcome, if you are new to my channel. I picked up a few subscribers the last couple weeks. I used to do a lot of unboxings and try-ons and hauls. I'm doing a no-buy starting in January and lasting till March 1st, and this is gonna be extremely tough for me. I have a ton of clothes. If you haven't checked it out already, I'll link it up there. You can see I had a whole week of camo, or it was more than a week. It just kept going on and on and on. So I just basically styled everything I had with camo. So I can definitely say that style print is not needed in my wardrobe. And as you will find this week, as I'm starting to do my faux leather and faux suede trend, you're gonna say, Carolyn, you can stop buying any more faux leather or faux suede. You got plenty. Okay, so give me a minute and I will show you my outfit. Okay, so here is today's outfit, and I'll back up even a little bit in just a minute. I have a Madewell blouse on that's a dark purple color that's like a floral / leafy motif. And if I didn't say this right, it's from Madewell. I got it at Nordstrom's years ago, and it's a regular size small before I thought I could even fit into an extra small. I do have to say it's a little bit loose. It has like a little tie here, and it kind of like, it's a wrap. And underneath it, I have a really, really old camisole, like in a lavender, from probably New York & Company, from probably 15 years ago. Because obviously it will open up and expose myself, and that's not something we want to see. Okay, with it is the faux. So here's the faux leather pants that I got from Loft. I believe I spent under $30 for these pants, so I did not spend a lot. They have the 2 slash pockets. They're pull-on style with a functioning drawstring, completely elastic front and back, very soft and comfortable, soft on the inside. Highly recommend these if they still have them. Now, here's the deal. I paired them, and I'll come closer actually so you can see the blouse. Isn't this a pretty blouse? I haven't worn it all fall, and it's definitely more of a fall blouse, but it's been a while, and I was like, you know what? Let's see what goes with these pants. I'm gonna pan down and show you what pair of shoes I wear with these. I'm not too happy with the shoe choice. They're a pair of booties with like an almond toe by Vince Camuto, and they have a heel. They're dark, dark chocolate brown. I looked at my shoes and I wasn't quite sure what to wear with these. Obviously not black. I thought black would look a little funny. And I was looking at my tan, and it was a lighter tan than these. My brown was more of a darker brown. So I decided to go with these dark, dark, dark chocolate brown. So let me know what you think of the shoe choice on this and what color shoes you would wear with this outfit. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with this outfit. I thought the colors of the shirt right here went well with the pants. And again, it's a blouse that I have not worn in a while. So today is a pretty chill day in my house. I started Pure Barre today. I signed up. I'm going to be doing that once, maybe twice a week, just to supplement my Orange Theory classes. Again, I need to keep myself busy because I am on this no-buy, and I do have a few more things coming in, a couple pairs of shoes I ordered, a couple things Stitch Fix, but on 12/31, I'm deleting all my apps on my phone so I can no longer easily shop from my phone, which is where I typically do my shopping. I'll continue making videos. They're going to be styling videos. I hope to talk about my weight loss journey, and any other thing that I think you guys want to share with you guys. All right. So yeah, today's outfit. Again, pants from Loft. Faux leather, extremely easy to pull on, comfortable. You can wear them with a sweater, a blouse, you know, they're very easy and very comfortable. And I'm very happy with this purchase as of now. All right, take care until the next faux pas coming up. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is Thursday, December 30th, and I have another episode for you for, it's not a faux pas, it's faux leather. So today, my outfit, I will stand up for you so you can get the full thing. I'm not thrilled with it, I'll be honest with you, as I'm fixing it. These are faux leather joggers that I actually picked up at Target last year for like $19.99. And to be honest with you, I kind of feel they're kind of loose and baggy on my legs and too short because I keep pulling them down. So they have the jogger style bottom that keeps getting caught on my legs, the drawstring waist that ties, and 2 slash pockets. I'll back up a bit so you can see my blouse, okay? And I'll show you in a minute. I'll come closer so you can see. The blouse is from White House Black Market, and I got it a few years ago. It's something I haven't worn in a while, and it's actually something that I used to wear with burgundy pants. So when I went into my closet, I said, what can I wear with these? And I said, oh, you know what? I haven't worn this blouse in a while, so I grabbed it. All right, I'll come closer so you can see it. All right, come down here. It's a paisley style, and it has some burgundy, some pink, some black, tan, and gray in it, okay? All right, and let me pan you up so you can see this a little bit better. And stand back. I have it paired with my Vince Camuto black booties. And this is my outfit today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Hello everyone, welcome to day 3 of It's Not a Faux Pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede. So today is New Year's Eve and it's a big night for us. We might actually go out to the diner. So yes, we don't have any plans. I went to the gym this morning as usual and came home, showered, and actually saw a travel agent today because my daughter is graduating high school and we haven't gone on vacation in 3 years. So we're trying to explore some places we might possibly go. We definitely want to stay within the United States, and if anybody has any suggestions, let me know. But so far it's looking like possibly Southern California might be our best bet. All right, so give me a minute and I'll show you my full outfit. I'll stand up here, okay? And I'll step back. So this is a 2-in-1 today. I got 2 things that are faux. One is this faux suede dress slash jacket that I got at White House Black Market last year. It is like a camel color and it's faux suede. And it's supposed to be a dress or a jacket. And if I were still working in the office, I would wear it as a dress. I won't wear it a dress anymore because I'm just not a big dress fan. My legs get cold. So I prefer to layer and make it a jacket. With it, I also have from White House Black Market, bought at a completely different time, these faux leather, or coated, I should say. They're really not faux leather. They're coated jeans. The coating gives them that faux leather look, but they're not considered faux leather, okay? And I'm going to be doing some coated jeans in this series and classifying with faux leather because they do have that kind of similar look, even though they're technically not labeled that as a description. I have just a plain ivory turtleneck on under this. Gosh, I don't even know where this ivory turtleneck came from. I'm going to get Macy's years ago. Okay, I have on a little leopard belt that I got from Express, and I'll pan down so you can see my leopard shoes that I got from Nordstrom several years ago. Okay, so it's just a brown outfit today, and the leggings are, no, the leggings are actually jeans, they're not leggings. They're a dark chocolate brown, okay? And that is my outfit today. All right, everyone, stay tuned for tomorrow. It's a new day, and it's Happy New Year to anybody out there, and hopefully you have a better 2022. Take care, and see you next year. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes. So today is another day of it's no faux pas, it's faux leather. So I'm cheating a little bit here because the outfit I also have today is kind of coated and not exactly faux leather. But I put them both in the same bucket because the shininess of it kind of makes it look like faux leather. I am, and by the way, Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2022. Off to a fresh new start. And you're probably going, where are you going today, Carolyn? And I'm like, oh, I got a big day today. I am going to drive a mile from my house to Target and go to Target. And that is my day today. I am still working on my weight loss video. I am not very, in case you haven't noticed, I'm not very videographically inclined. So it takes me a little bit longer, and I'm also kind of lazy and just don't feel like doing it, to be honest with you. But I'm trying to put some things together and some dates and my weight and trying to explain things and how things happen for me to give it a better picture. All right, so just a minute, and here is my outfit. I'll stand up. So I am wearing something that probably you would consider pretty boring. First is my Sanctuary jacket that I got from Stitch Fix. It's like a satin. I love this jacket. This thing is so soft and cozy. It's like raining in the 50s today, and I can just wear this jacket to go park and run into Target really quick. All right, it has like a pinkish on the inside. It's quilted. I'll come up closer so you can see it on the outside and see how it is satiny. And it's a bomber style with the cuff and the bomber down at the bottom. With it, I have this French Connection sleeveless turtleneck. Now, I've watched a lot of YouTubers, and one YouTuber's like, oh, they're just completely useless. I love sleeveless turtlenecks because I can get the look of a turtleneck and be able to layer jackets with it. So I like sleeveless turtlenecks, so I don't care what anybody says. I'm going to continue wearing my sleeveless turtlenecks. All right, paired with it is what I consider the faux leather, which it isn't really. I'll come close so you can see it. All right, I got these from Poshmark. These are level 99 joggers, and you guys know I love my level 99 joggers. They have like an animal print as the faux leather look to them. It's very unusual. I've never seen anything like this. They are pulling a little bit. You can see right here that the zipper wants to show and poke out a little bit. They will stretch out. They're very comfortable, extremely comfortable, even though they're pulling. They're very stretchy. And I have the zippers down here at the bottom. And I'll move back so you can see I have them paired with my Stitch Fix pumps, okay? You're like, pumps? Full leather pants, and you're going to Target? Yes, I am. That's my day today. All right, take care, and soon you'll see another episode of It's Not a Faux Pas. Take care. Hello, everyone. It is January 2nd, and I'm here to show you my outfit for today of It's Not a Faux Pas. It's just faux leather and faux suede. So today I am not going anywhere, and I am wearing a Dear John skirt that's half faux leather, half faux suede. And this one is a little bit snug on me because it's a size 24. I got this several years ago when I was doing mix and match. And when I got it in a size 24 several years ago, it wasn't snug on me. So this is what I say, I want to lose a little weight, not because I don't think I'm overweight. I just want my clothes to fit like they should. All right, so it's a cute little skirt, more like going out. But obviously I'm not going anywhere, and I feel the need to wear all these things in my closet. I want to start wearing my clothes that have been sitting there. All right, got it on with a pair of tights and a pair of knee-high boots. They're Kenneth Cole Reaction I got a few years ago at Macy's. You've seen them before. Again, the skirt is Dear John. The sweater is from Macy's, probably 2018, maybe 2019. From Macy's, that Bar 3 name brand. And just give you an idea, this is an extra, extra small, and I usually am just an extra small. So it fits, it's not too tight or anything, but it is a little bit short on me, but that's kind of like the style now, is that crop style. So it still fits, I still like it, it's super soft, and as you can see, it was back then when it was the big animal trend and all kinds of animals. So it's zebra print, I still wear it. It's not one of my favorites, I don't pull for it often, but I like it, and it will stay in my closet. So it's been a while, I haven't worn it yet this winter, and I obviously haven't worn the skirt yet this winter. So here is my outfit for going nowhere today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another It's Not a Faux Pas. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And it's not a faux pas, it's just faux leather and faux suede. So I'm gonna wrap up this video for this week today, but don't worry, I still have more faux suede and faux leather to share with you guys. I just figured the video is just gonna get way too long if I continue doing this. So I'll split it up, and today is Monday, January 3rd. I'll probably publish this on Friday, but don't worry, Tuesday and onwards, I'll keep wearing my faux leather and faux suede until I'm done with it, until you've seen every piece I have in my collection, which is quite significant. All right, so give me a second and let me show you my outfit for today. So today I have on my faux leather Spanx that have the moto style here down the leg. It's cold outside today. It's actually going to get a little bit of snow. We see a couple flurries. I can tell you, these do not keep your leggies warm. It was cold out there. So if you were going to get these, I would recommend wearing tights underneath them if you live in a cold climate. Otherwise, wear them when they're like 40 degrees and above, because I felt the wind going right through these. If you're also coveting this moto style like I was, I got these last year when Lord & Taylor was going out of business and they were 25% off. I'm just going to warn you, the quilting and all the stitching here is really quite annoying around my legs. It doesn't hurt, it's just like annoying. I have another pair of faux leather Spanx, which you'll see probably later on this week. I'll probably wear them, that I prefer better, that don't have all this stuff on it. You know, I like the look of it, but like I said, it's annoying. With it, I have a black ribbed turtleneck that I think I got from the Limited, God knows how many years ago. And over it, I paired this leopard cardigan that I got from Nordstrom, and I got a pretty good deal on this. This is, I think this is 100% linen, and I got it for like 30 bucks. And with it is my Funky Steve Madam booties, which you'll probably are all very sick of at this point. So here's today's outfit. All right. Thank you again for joining me. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed yet, I usually do shopping hauls, try-ons, and unboxings, but I am on a no-buy until March. So you're going to see me do some styling videos and other things. So, you know, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe if you haven't already, and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.